Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can chat on Google Meet. Okay, let's get into it guys. So I have opened my Google Meet, and as you can see I have created a virtual meeting, and I'm going to show you how you can send a chat to this meeting. If you want to send a chat, you can go to this menu right here on the bottom. You can see the symbol and you'll be able to chat with everyone right here, and we can send a message to everyone. And I'm just going to send for example, hello guys, like this, and then once you're done you can click on this icon to send the message to everyone. Okay, and then if you want to see another chat from other participant, you just need to click on this option, and then you will be able to chat with everyone. That's always right. You just need to go to the chat section, and then you will be able to chat with other participants in the Google meeting. Okay guys, and that's all the way to chat on Google Meet. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.